See, in yesterday's class, we were discussing about time, no? Okay, and we discussed so many techniques. Okay, see, when I was explaining that 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour technique like that. Okay, see, some students are having doubts in this, I think, especially in 30 minutes technique and 6 hours technique. See, they are having doubts here. 30 minutes and 6 hours. Okay. See, I will clear your doubt. See here, try to understand this one. Now the time is 9:05. Okay. See, now minute hand is at 5. Clear? See, if minute hand is opposite, means suppose if it comes to 7. Okay. See, if minute hand is opposite, then you can take 30 minutes directly. Clear? Write down this one. When minute hand is opposite, okay, you can take 30 minutes directly. Okay. 9:05 to 9:35. See, starting time is 9:05 and ending time is 9:35. In this case, you can directly write 30 minutes. When minute hand is opposite. Next one. Here, see, observe the clocks there. This is 2 o'clock. So, what is the opposite of 2 o'clock? That is 8 o'clock. Means when hour end is opposite, so how many hours? Okay, that is 6 hours. Remember this one. See, both are different. Okay, don't mix the things. That is different, this is different. When hour hand is opposite, we can take 6 hours directly. And see, in first case I told, when minute hand is opposite, you can take 30 minutes. This is minute hand and this is hour hand. Clear? See, some are having doubts on this. That's why I told. Next, see, I will show one more example. See, you can observe here. Here it is 9:55 and opposite of this one is 5. In this case, okay, see, minute hand is opposite. So, you can directly write elapsed time is 30 minutes. When minutes are opposite, you can directly write 30 minutes. Next. See here. Now 10 o'clock is there. And what is the opposite for 10 o'clock? That is 4 o'clock. So what is the elapsed time or what is the duration? Yeah. Very good. Likit. 6 hours. Clear. Now we will move on to problems. Okay. Now starts your Navodaya problems. Okay. Last year question papers, previous year question papers are there. We will solve one by one. Okay. Yeah. See, this question was asked in Navodaya question paper 2017 and it was asked in 2009. See, this question is repeated 3 times. 2017, 2009 and 2007. Find out the answer for this. Okay. See, they are given. I will explain the problem. A bus starts at 9:10 a.m. from Delhi and reaches Chandigarh at 4:20 p.m. They are given the starting time, they are given the end time. The total time in this journey is, he is asking elapsed time. Nothing but duration. Send me the answer. And also one more thing, say, don't take the help from your parents, please. Okay. ಅವ್ರು ಕಲಿತಾರಷ್ಟೇನೆ, ನೀವೇನು ಕಲಿಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಚಿಂತನ ರೈಟ್, ಮಿಥುನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ನಿಬೀಶ್ ರೈಟ್, ಕುಶಾಲ್ ಎಂ ನೇಮ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ, ರೆಡ್ಮಿ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಕುಶಾಲ್ ಎಸ್ ಗೌಡ ರಾಂಗ್, ಕೀರ್ತನ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ಕುಶಾಲ್ ಎಸ್ ಗೌಡ ರೈಟ್, ವೈಭವ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ರಾಂಗ್, ಲೋಹಿತ್ ತನ್ಮಯ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ಹರಿಚಂದನ್ ರೈಟ್, ಸ್ವೀಕೃತಿ ರಾಂಗ್, ನವಮಿ ರಾಂಗ್, ಮನಾ ರಾಂಗ್, ಹಿಮವರ್ಷ ರಾಂಗ್, Kirtan Kumar right, Ullas wrong answer, Rachana right, Haripriya right, Zimad right, Haisiri right, Kushalam right, Shashank BR wrong, Tanma SH right, Karthik Sagar wrong, Kirti wrong, Amsa wrong, Kushalam right, Kushalam one circle, so Sheetal wrong, Milind wrong, Redmi wrong, Nidhi wrong, Yuvraj right, Bhuvan Chandra wrong, Purvik, what you are sending, Kirtan GT, Kirtana GT wrong, Vishal wrong, Yashas wrong, Tarun wrong, Likitem Gowda right, Tej Kiran right answer, Surya okay, Ganvi R wrong answer, Mais right answer, Likit wrong, Likit J wrong, Roshni wrong, Purvik what you are sending, okay, Aditya AM right answer, Prithvika right, Rishi right, Samanvita right, Rishi right, Likit wrong, Likit J wrong, Bhuvan Chandra wrong, Ullas wrong, Yashas wrong, Sumadura wrong, Kushal Gowda wrong, Nishchit wrong, Hima Varsha wrong, Rohini right answer, Chandana wrong answer, Kirti Lata wrong, Sikruti wrong, Aditya wrong, Prithvika right, Kishan D wrong, Milind wrong, Karthik Sagar wrong, Jeevan Nayak wrong, Roshni wrong, Tanma SH ಕಳಿಸ್ತೇನಮ್ಮ, ವೈಭವ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ರಾಂಗ್, ಧೀರನ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ಯಶಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ಧನ್ವಿತಾ ರೈಟ್, ಚುಮನ್ನ ರಾಂಗ್, ಮನೋಜ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ಚಿತ್ರ ರಾಂಗ್, ನಿಧಿ ರೈಟ್, ಯಾ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್, ಧೀರಜ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ಹಿಮವರ್ಷ ರಾಂಗ್, ತನ್ಮಯ ಎಸ್ ರೈಟ್, ಅಭಿನವ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಭುವನ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ರೈಟ್, ಕಿಶನ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ಕಿಶನ್ ಪಲ್ಲವ್, Kaushik wrong answer, Chandana wrong, Chandana now it is right, Sheetal wrong, Karthik Sagar right, Ganvi are right, okay, Himavarsha wrong, Yashas right, see here, stop sending, Kirti Lata right, Naomi right, Kushal Gowda wrong, see tumba jana help ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದೀರಾ, that is the problem. You are taking the help from your parents ಕೆಲವರು. Okay. See, ನೀವೇ ಓನ್ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆನೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. There is no need of classes if you are taking the help from your parents. ಅವ್ರು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಮತ್ತೇನು ಕಲಿಯೋದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. Okay, see here, I'll solve this one. How to solve these kind of problems? See, morning, a bus starts at morning 9:10 a.m. See, write down the timeline, that is the better one. Write down the timelines. See, 9:10 a.m. starting. Observe carefully. It starts at 9:10 a.m. Okay. See, make it round figure. Round figure means, see, take 10 o'clock. 9:10 a.m. to 10 a.m. means how many minutes? See, 9 to 10, that is 60 minutes. 10 less means that is 50 minutes. Now, see, 10 to 4, I told. See, I told in the clock, if it is 10 and if it is 4, both are opposite, no? Opposite means how many hours? 6 hours. No need to calculate. Okay? Directly you can tell. Next, 4 p.m. to 4:20. That is 20 minutes. Okay, now you can add all these. Okay, 50 minutes, 6 hours, 20 minutes. How to add means here. Leave this 6 hours. First add minutes. 50 minutes plus 20 minutes. How much you will get? 70 minutes. How we can write this 70 minutes? Okay, you can write like this now. 60 minutes and 10 minutes. 60 minutes means how much? 1 hour. And write this 10 minutes as it is. Got it? So we can write 70 minutes as 1 hour, 10 minutes. And see, already we are having 6 hours here. Okay, add those things. 6 hours and 1 hour, 10 minutes. If you add this one, 6 plus 1, 7 hours, 10 minutes. Clear? So final answer is 7 hours, 10 minutes. Understood? How you got 7 hours, 10 minutes? Yeah, Sumadhura, right, Vishal, right, Kirtana, right, Kruti, right answer. Okay. Yeah, we will move on to next one. See, this is very, very important problem. Why? Because, see, in Navodaya question paper, they ask it 3 times. Okay. Practice these kind of questions. We'll move on to next one. Be ready. And I will send these notes, don't worry. See, ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬರಿತಾ ಕುತ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. ಯಾಕೆ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಬರಿತಾ ಕುತ್ಕೊಂತೀರಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ಸಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Anita started a horse painting at 11:55 a.m. and finished it at 12:05 p.m. What time taken by him to complete the painting? It was asked in Navodaya 2010. Okay, Kushal S. Gowda, right. Chintana, right. Dhruva, right. Bhuvan Chandra, right. Kirtan Kumar, right. Yashash, wrong. Haripriya, wrong. Tarun, right. Rohini, right. Tejaswini, wrong. Karthik Sagar, wrong. Mana, wrong. Yuvraj, right. Nibish, right. Naomi, right. Zimad, right. Kruti, right. Ganvi, JM, wrong. Vishruta, right. Aditya M, right. Akrut, right. Danvita, right. Aditya M, right. Harichandan, wrong. Mithun, wrong. Mais, right. Sadhvi Patil, right. Rishi, right. Aishiri right, Chandana wrong, Suraj wrong, Kirti Lata right. Wait. Yeah, question is correct only. Okay. Some are sending different answers. Nidhi wrong, Yashas wrong, Milind right, Abhinav right, Hamsa right, Balaji right, Jeevan Nayak right, Uday right, Likit wrong, Shashank Bihar right, Yashas right, Kaushik wrong, Ullas right, Likit Jay right, Sheetal Gowda wrong, Rishi right, Yashas right, Mithun wrong, Nishchit right, Chitra right, Ishak right, Harichandan wrong, Dheeraj right, Rishi right, Nishchit right, Chandana right, Samanvita right, Kushalam right, Suraj right. See, Kushalam, ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಎರಡೆರಡು ಸರಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಪೃಥ್ವಿಕಾ ರಾಂಗ್, ಸೂರ್ಯ ರಾಂಗ್, ಅನಗ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸಿ ಒಂದ್ ಸರಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು, ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2 ಸರಿ. ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಪದೇ 10 ಸರಿ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಹರಿಪ್ರಿಯಾ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಸುಮಧುರ ರಾಂಗ್, ತೇಜ್ ಕಿರಣ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ಹರ್ಷಿತ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಎಂ ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಯರ್ ತೇಜ್ ಕಿರಣ್ ರೈಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಒನ್. ಪೂರ್ವಿಕ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಇದೇನು ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 11:55 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ದೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಟ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ 11:55 AM. Okay, see, he started painting at 11:55. Okay, take it up to 12. See, 12 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that is afternoon. Clear? 11:55 AM to 12 PM means that is 5 minutes. Simple. Some are sending 1 hour, some are sending 12 hours, 14 hours. And 12 PM to 12:05 PM. That is 5 minutes. Now add it, 5 plus 5. 10 minutes, clear. Answer is 10 minutes, very simple one. So it was asked in Navodaya 2010 paper. See, these kind of questions you will get in the exam on time. Okay, Harichandan was right, Kirtana was right. Yeah. Shall I move on to next one? Okay, see here. I'll explain this one. Sampurna Kranti Express departures from Patna at 5:50 PM and arrives New Delhi at 8:15 AM. Of the next day, see, observe this one, next day. What is the total time of the journey? You need to find out the elapsed time. And don't take the help from your parents, okay? Do it on your own. ನೀವೇ ಓನ್ ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Rutvik, I will explain. See, they are given the starting time, ending time. Kushal is Gowda, right answer. Dhruva wrong. Harichandan wrong. Kirti Lata wrong. Zimad wrong. Kushalam wrong. Rutvika, they are given starting time and ending time. Nibish wrong answer. Tejaswini wrong. Mithun wrong. Rohini right. Balaji wrong. Mithun wrong. Kruti wrong. Ullas wrong. Chintana wrong. Aishiri wrong. Haripriya wrong. Yuvraj right. Rishi right. Naomi wrong. Purvik wrong. Karthik Sagar wrong. Kirti Lata wrong. Lohit wrong. Rishi right. Rishi, I told, send once, okay. Bhuvan Chandra wrong. Kruti wrong. Kushalam wrong. Roshni wrong. Jeevan Nayak right. Kirtan Kumar wrong. Bhuvan Chandra wrong answer. Roshni wrong. Tanmay SH no wrong. Tarun wrong. Nidhi wrong. Imawar Shah wrong answer. Yashas right. Chandana wrong. Zimad wrong. Bhuvan Chandra wrong. Nivish Harsha right. Ashes, right? Harichandan, right? Tanvita, right? Balaji, wrong. Dheeraj, wrong. Anna, wrong answer. Sumadura, right? Kishan D, wrong. Chandana, wrong. Aditya M, wrong. Aditya M, right answer. Kirtilata, wrong. Anaga, wrong. Kirtan Kumar, right? Uday Charan, wrong answer. Kushal M, wrong. Dheeran, right answer. Surya, wrong. Samanvita, wrong answer. Dhruva, right? Aditya M, wrong. Shashank B, right? Mahish, wrong answer. Bhuvan Chandra, wrong. Prithvika, wrong. Amsa, wrong. Milind, wrong. See here. Stop sending. Saujanya, Kruti, all are wrong. Stop sending. See here, I will answer this one. Just a minute. Yeah, Suraj.
Sir,
What is the answer, man?
sir, I'm doing, sir.
Still doing.
Sir,
Okay. Yeah, explain this one, man. I will ask the question, okay?
sir.
See here. It is, see, it departures at 5:50 a.m. means it is starting.
Yes, sir. 5:50 to 6 o'clock, 10 minutes.
Very good. See, up to 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. it is
10 minutes.
10 minutes.
6 o'clock to 7 o'clock, 1 hour.
See, don't do like that. Why? Because see, time is here. They are given next day morning.
6 p.m. to 12 midnight, 12, 6 hours.
Don't do like that. You can take like this. No? Yesterday I told 6 p.m. to 6 a.m.
24 hours.
Hey,
12 hours.
12 hours. Check ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರ ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ದೀನಿ 12 hours. Okay. See, half of the things got over now. Now, 6 a.m. to 8.
2 hours. 15
Next.
minutes.
Yeah, 15 minutes. Now add it.
14 hours, 25 minutes.
Simple. See, 12 plus 2, that is 14. And 15 plus 10, that is 25. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. See, yesterday, that's why I told these techniques. You should be very fast in the exam. Okay, practice those techniques. This question was asked in 2007 Navodaya question paper. Okay. Shall I move on to next one? Yeah, fourth question. Be ready for the fourth one. See, same thing. A bus left Delhi for Amritsar at 5:30 p.m. evening. Okay, bus is leaving at 5:30 p.m. in the evening and reached Amritsar at 7:36 a.m. next day, means morning. Next day morning it is reaching bus at 7:36. How much time did it take to reach Amritsar? This question was asked 2 times in Navodaya, 2004 and 94. Okay, answer this one. Kushal S. Gowda, right? Kirtan Kumar, right? Baba. So fast. Dhruva, wrong. Nibish right, Jeevan Nayak right, Kushal S. Gowda right, Rohini right, Chintana right, Bhuvan Chandra wrong, Mithun right. Some are very fast. Kushal M wrong. Yuvraj Gowda very good. Okay, Rohini. Okay, yeah. Lohit Tanmay right answer. Harichandan right. Bhuvan Chandra wrong. Aditya M wrong. Ishak wrong. Haripriya right. Very good, Haripriya. Kushal M right. Naomi no wrong. Kushal Gowda wrong. Ullas right. Aditya right. Harshit P ನೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಡ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಯಶಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೂರಜ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಿಶ್ಚಿತ್ ನೋ ರಾಂಗ್ ಯಶಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ತನ್ಮಯ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಧೀರಜ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಲಿಖಿತ್ ಜೆ ರಾಂಗ್ ನಿಧಿ ರಾಂಗ್ ತೇಜಸ್ವಿನಿ ರಾಂಗ್ ಜಿಮಾದ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ಜಿಮಾದ್ ಭುವನ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ನೋ ರಾಂಗ್ ಸಾಧ್ವಿ ಪಾಟೀಲ್ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಪೂರ್ವಿಕ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಶಶಾಂಕ್ ದಿಯಾರ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಸಾಗರ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಧನ್ವಿತಾ ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್ Bhuvan wrong. Aishri very good. Kirti Lata no. Kruti wrong. Sumadura wrong. Balaji wrong. Prithvika very good. Prithvika no. Prithvika right. Yeah, right answer. Prithvika right. Amsa wrong. Naomi wrong. Mais right answer. Very good, Mais. Okay, see here. Stop sending. I will answer this one. Chandana no. Vishruta, what happened? Kaushik, very good. Hamsa no. Tanmay said no. क्या जी विश्रुता जी? तेज किरण right, very good. Prithvika answer this one.
Sir, 5:30 to 6 p.m. 30 minutes.
Wait, I will write. Just a minute. Okay, so
Sir, 5:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. 30 minutes.
5:30 p.m. to 6 no?
Yes, sir.
That is 30 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Next 6 p.m. to
6 p.m. to 6 a.m. 12 hours.
yeah, it is morning 12 hours.
Yes, sir.
Next 6 a.m. to 7 a.m.
1 hour.
Very good. Next 7 a.m. to 7:36.
36 minutes.
Very good. Now add it.
36 minutes plus 30 minutes is equals to 1 hour 6 minutes.
Very good. See, this is very important. 30 minutes plus 36 minutes. That is equal to 1 hour 6 minutes. And 12 plus 1 hour
13 hours.
plus 1 hour. That is equal to 13 hours. Now add it.
14 hours.
6 minutes. See, this is the answer. Very good, Prithvika. This was asked in 2 times, okay? In the exam 2004 and 94. See, these kind of questions you will get in the exam. ನೆನ್ನೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. Yesterday I told no, practice that one techniques. You should be fast. Clear? See 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. ಈ ತರ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ that is 12 hours. Directly you can write. Okay, you need to remember that one. Fine. See, practice all kinds of techniques I told, no? Okay, remember all those techniques. Shall I move on to next one? Yeah, Kirtana, right. Next one, fifth question. A boy slept up 9:45 p.m. and woke up next morning at 5:30 a.m. So he slept for 5:30 ಯಾರು ಎದ್ದಾಳಲ್ಲ ನೀವು. ಹುಡುಗ ಏನೋ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಎದ್ದಿದ್ದಾನೆ. See, he slept at 9:45 p.m. and woke up at next morning 5:30 a.m. So ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆ ಮಲಗಿದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್ ಅವ್ನು ಮಲಗಿದಾನೆ, ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಕುಶಾಲ್ ಎಸ್ ಗೌಡ, ರೈಟ್. Kushal, yes, you need to do, okay, you need to work on. Work ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ತಾನೆ? ಲೋಹಿತ್ ತನ್ಮಯ್, ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಲೋಹಿತ್ ತನ್ಮಯ್, ಕೃತಿ, ನೋ ರಾಂಗ್. ಮಿಥುನ್, ರೈಟ್. ಧ್ರುವ, ರೈಟ್. ಪೂರ್ವಿಕ್, ರಾಂಗ್. ಕೀರ್ತನ್ ಕುಮಾರ್, ರೈಟ್. ಓಕೆ. ರೋಹಿಣಿ, ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಹರಿಪ್ರಿಯಾ, ರಾಂಗ್. ಧನ್ಮಿತಾ, ರೈಟ್. Harichandan, right. Kruti, wrong. Yuvraj, right answer. Kushalam, wrong. Nibish, right. Naomi, right. Aishari, wrong. Suraj, right answer. Yashas, right answer. Okay, Yashas, right. Anaga, no, wrong. Mana, wrong. Uday Charan, wrong. Ganvi, JM, wrong. Ganvi, R, wrong. Kirti, wrong. Karthik Sagar, wrong. Yeah, Kushal, I will ask. Mana, wrong. Balaji, wrong. Bhuvan Chandra, wrong. Nishchit, wrong. Likit J, right. Likit J, wrong. Adi Dev, wrong. Shishank BR, wrong. Nishchit, wrong. Ishak, wrong. Tanmay SH, right. Tanmay, wrong. Tanmay SH, right. Prithvika, right. Chandana, right answer, very good. Sumadura, very good. Mahesh, very good. Prithvika, very good. Okay. Aditya M, wrong. Milind, wrong. Zimad, right answer. Dheeraj, right. Jeevan Nayak, wrong. Surya, wrong. Kirtirata, wrong. Sadhvi, wrong. Arshit, wrong. Vaibhav Lakshmi, right. Tej Kiran, right. Chitra, right. Kishan Pallav, right. Kushal M, wrong. Chintana, right answer. Sheetal Gowda, wrong. Dhanvita, feeling sleepy. You are opening mouth like crocodile. Like this. Yeah. Balaji, right answer. Abhinav, no. Nidhi, right. Balaji, right. Shashank BR, right. Akrut, right. Yashas, right. Ishak is saying, sir, I woke up at 5 a.m. Very good. Keep it up. Aditya M, right answer. Rohini, ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. Rohini, yeah.
Yes, sir. Sir, ಅವನು ಹುಡುಗ 9:45 ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡು 5:30 ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತಾನಂತೆ ಸರ್.
ಅದು ನಗದು ಏನಿದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ನಗದಾನೆ.
ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದು ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಎದ್ದೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ಸರ್
ಮಲ್ಗದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ನೀನು?
ಸರ್ 9 ಇಲ್ಲ 10.
9. Oh, very good.
Sir, 9:45 to 10:15 minutes, sir.
Yeah, it is 15 minutes.
Sir, 10 opposite is 4, sir.
Very good. See, here we need to don't take 10 a.m. Okay, take 4 p.m. Sorry, 4 a.m.
Yes, sir.
You need to take 4 a.m. See,
Sir,
observe
it
the
is
clock.
6 hours.
Night 10 a.m. and morning this is 4 a.m. Both are opposite. If opposite means that is 6 hours.
Yes.
Next.
So 4 to 5, 1 hour.
4 to 5 a.m. that is 1 hour.
5 a.m. to 5:30 a.m. 30 minutes.
Very good.
So now we should add 6 hours plus 1 hour is equal to 7 hours.
Very good. 6 hours plus 1 hour. That is equal to 7 hours. Okay.
Sir, 30 minutes plus 15 minutes is equals to 45 minutes.
15 minutes plus 30 minutes. That is equal to
45 minutes. Sir, he will sleep for 7 hours 45 minutes.
ನೀನ್ ಬೆಟ್ರ ಅವನ್ ಬೆಟ್ರ ಮಲ್ಗೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ
ಸರ್ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಟೈಪ್ ಸರ್.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. 11 o'clock ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್ ಮಲ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ.
ಅದು ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀಯಮ್ಮ. ಅದು ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ. ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ? ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲ ನಗ್ತೇನಲ್ಲ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್?
ಸರ್ ಅದು ಯಾರು ಕೇಳೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಹೌದಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಮ್ಮ, ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಾಗ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಎದ್ದೇಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ? ನೀನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ನೀನ್ ನಗಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಂತ.
ನೋ ಸರ್, ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಯಾ, ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್.
Yeah, understood. Answer is 7 hours 45 minutes. Okay. Next problem. See, next one is a different one. Why it is different means, yeah, I will show that problem now. Be ready. Next one. I will explain this one. A bus left Delhi for Dehradun at 10:15 a.m. It took 6 hours 30 minutes. See, they are given elapsed time. Try to understand this. You need to find out end time. Clear? Try to understand. See, they are given the starting time. That is 10:15 a.m. And see, they are given the elapsed time. What is the elapsed time they are given? 6 hours 30 minutes they are given. Okay. At what time did bus reach at Dehradun? Dehradun ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. That is the end time. At what time it will reach Dehradun? Understood? They are given the starting time. 10:15 ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. It is leaving at 10:15 a.m. Okay, and it is taking total 6 hours 30 minutes. Now, what is the end time? Vishal S. Gowda, right. Yuvraj, right. Chintana, right. Hamsa, right. Vishal, right. Mithun, wrong. Ishak, wrong. Kirtan, right. Anaga, right. Anaga, no, wrong. Rohini, right. Nibish, right. Ganami, R, right. Tanmay, SH, wrong. Nishchit, wrong. C. Purvik, right answer. Dhruva, wrong. Yashas, no. Ullas, right. Tanmay, wrong. Harichandan, right. Chitra, wrong. Bhuvan Chandra, wrong. Suraj, right. Suraj, I think you are wrong. Sadhvi Patil, right. Very good. Harichandan, right. Kruti, no. Check your answer, Kruti. Ganvi, JM, wrong. Yashas, no. Kirti Ratha, no. See, tell me the timings, okay? proper timing. Tanmay, right. My is right answer. Very good. Tanmay says now it is right. Aisiri, right. Tej Kiran, right. Kaushik, right. Uday Charan, no wrong. Purvik, right answer. Ishes, no wrong. Surya, right. Ishes, wrong. Likit J, right. Danvita, right. Milind, right. Ishak, wrong. Kirtilata, right. Yeah, Milind, you are right. Balaji, no. Jeevan Nayak, right. Harshit Kumar, right. Vaibhav Lakshmi, wrong. Nishchit, wrong. Rohini, that is the proper method. Very good. Kushalam, no. Shashank BR, wrong. Kishan Pallav, wrong. Lohit Tanmay, wrong. Bhuvan Chandra, wrong. Mana, no, wrong. Prithvika, wrong. Manoj, very good. Zimat, wrong answer. Sumadura, right. Suraj, check ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ ಸೂರಜ್. ಅದ್ ಹೆಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು? ಅವ್ನು ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದೇ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾವನೆ. ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಎಂ, ನೋ. ನೀನು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಎಂ. ಅದ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದು? ಕೃತಿ, ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ನಿಧಿ, ರಾಂಗ್. ಚಂದನ, ನೋ, ರಾಂಗ್. ಚಂದನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೀನು. ಸೂರಜ್, ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಮಿಥುನ್, ರಾಂಗ್. ಬಹಳ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್. ಚಂದನ ಬಹಳ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, ಬಹಳ ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೂರಜ್, ರೈಟ್. ಆದಿದೇವ್, ರಾಂಗ್. ಗಾನ್ವಿ ಜೆ ಎಂ, ರೈಟ್. ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಎಂ, ರೈಟ್. ಹರಿಪ್ರಿಯಾ, ರೈಟ್. Haripriya, that is not AM actually, that is PM. Yashas, wrong. Okay. Ganvi JM. Explain. Naomi.
Yes, sir.
First switch on your video first, huh?
Yes, sir.
ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದೇವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ. ಏನ್ರಿ ನವಮಿ?
Yes, sir.
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್.
Sir, 10 to 4, 6 hours, sir.
10
Opposite,
to
no, sir.
4, 6 hours. Okay.
6 hours plus 15 minutes, sir.
Plus 15 minutes, sir.
No, sir. Sir, 10 to 15, 10, 15, 10, 15, 10, 15. Sir, 45 minutes, sir. 10 to 9, 10 o'clock, 10, 15 to 11 o'clock, 45 minutes, sir.
Yeah, you can do like that also.
Sir, and
Okay.
11
Wait,
to 5,
wait,
6
wait.
hours, sir.
See, so many methods are there. Okay. You can add this starting time to ending time. Sorry, elapsed time. If you
Sir.
add, see, this is one method. 10, 15 they are given.
Sir.
Okay. And they are given 6 hours and 30 minutes. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 15 plus 30 means how much? 45?
Yes, sir. 10 plus 6.
Yeah, 16.
Yes, sir.
See, this is 24 hours format, no?
Yes, sir.
We got 24 hours format time. Okay, convert this to
Sir,
12 hours.
4 o'clock, 45 minutes.
4:45. Okay. See, it is 16 means, okay, afternoon or in the evening it is. right?
Sir.
So AM or PM? It is PM. Okay. 16:45 means that is 4:45 PM. See, this is one method. Or else any other method. So many methods are there. Okay. You can take 45 minutes or you can take the timeline also. See, that is 10:15 AM. Okay. So if it is 6 hours, means that is 4:15 PM. See, we need to add this one, 6 hours, and add 30 minutes here. 6 hours, 30 minutes. 4:15 PM means we are adding 30 minutes means clear. So we are getting end time.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, this is, we can do like this also. Method 1. And this is method 2 using timeline. Okay. See, so many methods will be there. Understood, Naomi?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Yeah, Bhuvan Chandra, I am sent, sir, you all say, okay. I told wrong, I think. See, 4:45 PM is the right answer. Kruti, right answer, yeah. See, this is the answer. (4:45 PM is the answer. Understood? See, I will stop here. We will play the quiz. Tomorrow we will solve some more problems. Not tomorrow, evening time is there, no? Yeah, evening class. In that class, we will discuss some more problems on this. Kishan Pallavi is having doubt. Yeah, Kishan.
Sir, ಮತ್ತೆ elapsed time ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು?
ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇವಾಗ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್,
Okay.
ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ 6:30 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
Okay.
elapsed time ಸರ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? 6 ಗೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ 12 ಬರುತ್ತೆ
No,
ಸರ್.
see here. They have to give two time. One is starting time and one is ending time.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Okay, see ಇವಾಗ. See, ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ? 7:30 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ?
9 o'clock.
9 ಅಲ್ಲ, 8:30. ಇವಾಗ 8:25 ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಬೈ 8:45 ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೋ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲಾಪ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ನಾನು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಎಲಾಪ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇದನ್ನ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸಿ, ಒಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಲೈನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀವಿ. 7:30 to 8:30 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು?
1 hour.
1 hour, right?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
8:30 to 8:45 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
15 minutes.
ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ತಗೊಂಡೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್?
1 hour 15 minutes.
ಇದೇ ಎಲಾಪ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಟೈಮ್.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್. ಸರ್, ಇವಾಗ ಕೆಲವು ಟಫ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅವರು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದೇ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸರ್?
ಇವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ನೋಡು. ಇವಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, elapsed ಟೈಮ್ ಅವರೇ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ 6 hours 30 minutes ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡುವ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, 10:15 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಒಂದು ಲೊಕೇಶನ್ ಇಂದ ಅದು 6 hours 30 minutes ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಅದೇ ಡೆಸ್ಟಿನೇಷನ್ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ.
ಎಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಯಾ ಇವಾಗ ತೋರ್ಸುದ್ನಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಅದೇ ತರಾನೇ. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ 10:15. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ elapsed ಟೈಮ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಡ್.
ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು 6 hour ಅಂಡ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು
ಹೌದು.
6 hour ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಿಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್
30 minutes. ಹೌದು ಹೌದು.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10:15 AM ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, 6 hours ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ 10ಗೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ?
10 ಗೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ 4 ಇದೆ.
4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿನೇ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದು ನೋಡಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್?
ಸರ್ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್?
ಹೌದು. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾ ಇದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಕೇಳಿ. ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರೋ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಯಾವ್ದೋ 1, 2 ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಎಲ್ಲರದು ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂತು. ರಿಷಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆಯೋ? ಬುಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಏನಾ ರಿಷಿ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಏನ್ ಸಮಾಚಾರ? ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕೂತಿದ್ದಂಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೌಸ್.
ಒಳಗ್ ಆಗ್ಲಾಗ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ ಇರ್ತೀಯ? ಯಾರು ಬಂದ್ರು ಯಾರು ಹೋದ್ರು ಅಂತೇಳಿ? ಹೇಯ್, ಮನೇಲಿ ಬಾ, ಯಾರೋ ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, ನೀ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಇವನ್ ಬಗ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನ ಅವಾಗಿಂದ. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಬಂದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಏಯ್, ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡ ಬಿಡ ರಿಷಿ. ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀಯ, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್, ಮನೇಲಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾರ, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ಅವ್ರು ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಕ್ವಿಜ್. Today I will give simple one, AM and PM. Simple. Open the Kahoot app. Chumana is having doubts. ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಚುಮನ.